Hello, we're going to go over how to raise and resolve items. All items are raised the same way. Click on the student or students, and then click on flags, kudos, or referrals. Here I'm going to go over how to raise a referral. Once you selected the student or students, and then select the item you wish to raise, you would then select the item reason. You would then select the course the item is for and add any comments you wish. A reminder that the comments will be seen by the student, so please add equity-minded comments and save. An email will go out to the student, and in the case of a referral, counseling. Someone from the counseling department will reach out to the student and close the loop. For flags, we ask that the instructor resolve this item. You will click on the Flags, Referrals, To-Dos, or Kudos tab, and then click on the student's names and hit Resolve. A box will appear and allows you to clear the flags. Select the reason the item is being cleared and add comments if you wish. If you are clearing multiple flags and add comments, this comment will go to all students. Please be aware of your messaging when commenting to multiple students. There are several ways to use this system, and I've showed you one of few. Once you get into the system, you might find processes you like better. Feel free to play around with the different options of the system and see what it has to offer. The Kudos, Flags, and Referrals and email messaging were created over the last year by the implementation team with input from faculty, staff, and institutional research. These messages can and should evolve as the system grows.